Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles prismatic. Get ready to transform your breakfast into a vibrant, edible rainbow. We'll cover everything from preparing your batter with dazzling colors to cooking them perfectly. This fun technique is surprisingly simple and will surely impress everyone at your table. Let's dive into creating these beautiful, colorful treats. First, prepare your favorite waffle batter recipe, aiming for about 2 cups total. Once your batter is ready, divide it equally into 3 to 5 separate small bowls. Now comes the fun part. Add a few drops of gel food coloring to each bowl. Stir gently until each portion of batter is a distinct, vibrant color. For a classic rainbow, consider using red, yellow, green, and blue. Next, preheat your waffle iron to a medium setting and lightly grease it with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter. Now, for the artistic part, carefully spoon small, alternating dollops of each colored batter onto the hot waffle iron. Try to avoid overmixing the colors too much on the iron itself. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until your prismatic waffle is golden brown and perfectly crisp. Once cooked, carefully remove your beautiful prismatic waffles and serve them immediately. They are fantastic with classic toppings like whipped cream, fresh berries, or a drizzle of warm maple syrup. For the best results, remember not to overfill your waffle iron, using about 1/2 cup of batter per waffle. Feel free to experiment with various color combinations and layering techniques to create your own unique, edible masterpieces. Enjoy your colorful breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.